Welcome back to A La Carte Cooking and the 12 Cocktails of Christmas. This one, we're going a little bit south of the border. We are making a holiday margarita. We're using cranberry simple syrup. So what's unique about this, we're actually gonna make that simple syrup because you probably don't find cranberry simple syrup very often. It's a regular margarita, but instead of using regular simple syrup, just cranberry simple syrup. It's great. I hope you guys are having a good time with this series. Let's get on to the kitchen and make some cranberry simple syrup. This is a simple recipe. We are using about 5 to 6 ounces of cranberries, 4 ounces of water, and 2 ounces of sugar. Now, you could do 3-2-2, so 6, 4, and 4 if you want it to be a little sweeter and thicker of a simple syrup. We like to keep things a little bit more easy to use, and in our family, we don't like things super sweet. Very simple to make. We're gonna add in our water. We're going to add in our sugar and our cranberries. Over time, these are going to heat up and kind of burst, and you're gonna get a really nice cranberry juice in a simple syrup. Well, we are just about done. Look at this. It's just got amazing color. So we're gonna strain this out. Be real careful when you're doing this. Awesome, we are back. Check this out. How beautiful is that? It's still a little hot, but that's okay. We're gonna cool it down in this cocktail. So now it's back to a standard margarita, right? We're doing 2 parts tequila. I was gonna say just any tequila you want. This is a barrel-aged tequila. It kind of has a nice depth to it. Espolon. It was a gift to me, and I really enjoy it. So we're gonna do 2 parts of this. We're going to do half to 1 part of the simple syrup. It depends on if you want it sweeter or not. And we're doing half a lime juiced. And then you top it with Grand Marnier because you have to top it with Grand Marnier. Let's get this party started. Get the icing here. I like to roll the lime out a little bit. Gets those juices ready. Then you gotta take the biggest knife you own and slice it because you need to use the biggest tool for the littlest jobs, right? Taking our lime here. Well, juice it into here. Careful is when you juice it, sometimes the juices squirt all over the place. We've got our lime juice. Oh, so tasty. Smells good too. Oh, and by the way, when you make this, the smell of the cranberry is so good. We are going to add in our tequila. I'm doing 2 ounces of tequila. I know this is gonna be awesome. So there's our first shot. Here's our second shot. I'm going to cry because I only have 1 shot left. It's good sipping tequila, so definitely sip it later. We're gonna do about a half shot, maybe a little extra. That looks pretty good. Of our simple syrup that's cranberry flavored. Put it all together. Do a cha-cha-cha, holiday style, ho-ho-ho, right? Get that shake in there. Now, a traditional margarita, you might actually want to salt the rim. In this instance, I don't think salting is going to be a very good idea. You might want to sugar it if you want to do like a cinnamon sugar. We used to have that, but again, the theme is the ingredients we have in our house right now. We don't have any more of that. I don't think we do. So we are going to go with what we have. But in it goes. Oh, that's beautiful color. And then you garnish it with inedible cranberries. And I say inedible because it's really just for looks here. Let's be honest. You bite into one of those things, they are tart. It's way too tart, which is why you have to cook it with sugar water. Let's taste this. I'm excited. Shoot. I forgot the Grand Marnier. Actually, that's delicious though. But top it with Grand Marnier because that lime will definitely cut through. This is imaginary Grand Marnier. There it is, there it comes out. As you can tell, this is the last of our Grand Marnier. And now we taste it again. Just a little topper. That's great. That's really great. So good. If you like this little rendition of a south of the border happy holiday drink, I call it the Cranberry Margarita, please like the channel, please subscribe. And if you have any awesome south of the border traditional drinks that you like to make, tell us about it. I don't really know much about them. I would love to learn. Happy holidays, and we'll see you at the next one.